whilst you've had it.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
That's okay.
Dad, it's not. Right, we have spotted a jellyfish. This is crazy, guys. We have found a jellyfish. So we're going to go and see if we can show you. It's swimming quite fast. The current's quite mad today. There is a few jellyfish out here. But this is what you got to watch out for when you're swimming. Literally. No, it's rapid. But she's terrified, absolutely terrified. It's huge. It's Adam Grills here. I'm in the waters with the jellyfish, trying to evade getting stung. This is for your content, guys. Here with a hat on so I don't get burnt. Jen floating. Get the shit out of me. This is what it looks like underwater, guys, right? With the jellyfish. You ready? Any fish?
Nope.
Right. They were just here. I think they just look. Oh my gosh, that splash. Oh. Okay, first fish Jen has caught. It just got a bit technical issues with the rod, but we're in the land of the fish.
We actually are.
They are rapid here. So we're gonna. Hopefully you can see it. Do you know what I mean? What was that? Oh, we're going to the rocks, so
It's sinking. Yeah,
she's got
I've got one. I've got one.
Yeah.
Where's the bucket?
Oh, the bucket. The bucket. Get it in the bucket.
Ah!
Get it in the bucket. Get it in. Get it in.
I'm trying.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it flipped its own hook off.
Oh. Oh, you got a fish.
Oh, my googling out.
Oh.
What's your...
You look pretty in this. Running pants. Feels so cool. High key.
Oh.
Maybe not that one, but.
Where is it? Can you pull the string up? Oh, it's here.
This is fucked. This is fucked. We got dead fish and we got a fucking dead. Jen, hold this. Film me. Oh my god. Oh my, Jen. No, it's not dead. It's not. Oh my god, Jen. Jen. This is.
Get the hook out. It's not okay. It's not okay.
Oh.
I can't.
Oh my gosh, there you go.
Yeah. Put it in. I don't think it's alright.
Oh my
No,
god.
it is. Oh, it was playing dead.
It's playing dead.
It played dead.
Oh my god.
That was the
Oh my
funniest
god.
clip
I think
I've
it
ever
pooed.
seen.
Did it poo? It pooed.
It pooed.
It Oh gosh. A bit ago, Jen's going to put some bait on this. This is live on camera, Adam Waithe catching a fish on a paddleboard in Ibiza. If this isn't the footage you didn't know you needed, well it is today, because here we are. You didn't even know I fished, neither did I until, I don't know, let's catch one. Better things to catch. Oh, right, let's get this in there. It's quite hard to get the bait on.
Yeah, what have you done?
What haven't I done?
You've got to squeeze one corner of it. No, not the whole thing, because it will sink.
Right.
And then make sure you got enough.
Got enough slack.
Yeah, and then give it a little yeet.
Right, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Oh, that's come off.
Not quite. Look.
No, I haven't.
Yeah, it came off and they ate it.
Do I just reel it in?
Yeah, but watch. Right, you got the rod round the wrong way.
Yeah.
Up, yeah, that way. And then right hand reel it in.
Right. Right. I'm Adam Waithe and this is my first fish. Why didn't it even go that far?
They're there.
They're coming for it. I can see them a little bit.
I'll throw a little bit of tease.
What's that? Oh, I thought it was behind her. It's coming right to us though.
Yeah, no, you need to start again. Nice.
Nice, that's a throw.
I'll throw a couple of teasers around it. Is it just broken off?
Come on.
I don't know.
It's sinking.
Oh no, it's still attached.
It loves coming back.
Head on? Oh, does he want the boat? Right. Right, we're on a locals rescue mission because he's dropped his boat. So we're gonna give it to him. Shall I hold it whilst you paddle? Oh yeah.
Ah. Otherwise that was going downstream. Yeah. Luckily we were there.
De nada. I need to.
Yeah, a few. Keep letting them go.
Thank you. Oh,
Got it? Is it broken?
it's broken in the tornillo
Mhm.
y blanco. Okay,
Ah.
perfect. Thank you very much.
No worries.
That's okay. Oh look, Whaley.
Wally.
We've got a van called Wally.
Nice.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
The adventures continue. Fishing and saving boats.
Yeah. Yeah, we're good.
Right.
Right, launch it. Look, right there.
Oh! I got it! I got it!
Oh my God.
I got it!
Oh my God.
Wait.
Reel it in.
Oh!
Pulling it.
I got it!
Keep going. Oh my God. Oh, what is that? What is that? It's a different one. It's a different one. Boy, put it in here. Put it in the bucket. Ah! That's a new one. You got a new one. You got a new one. You got a new one.
No way!
What is that?
What is this?
Try and wait.
Oh!
What? This is so. Why is this blurry? Hang on.
Oh my God.
Hold on tight. That is a big one.
Shall I let it out? Here we go, second fish. Is the screen clear? Little whale. Right, second fish. Let's try it.
Oh, it got tangled, but that's okay. Yellow, yeah.
You can see it glistening. Right now, we would have been fed for literally the full day, maybe a bit tomorrow, but today we definitely would have survived just eating those fish. There's a big one down there. Jen, let's go for it. Oh,
no, I think it's come off your thing. That's right, they're big. I think you've got no thing on. Reel it in.
We've only gone and done it. It's a big one. It's a big one.
Oh!
What I said I wanted.
Wait.
There it is.
Oh my gosh! Wait, hold the. The stress. Why are you holding it in the air like that? Put it in the bucket.
Yeah.
Wow, that echoed so loud.
Honestly, what a time.
Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
Another fish.
What is your name?
Let's take this off you.
Oh.
There you go. There we are. Diarrhea fish. Nice. Big fishes.
Can I catch one now?
Yeah. Just sussing out the angles. He's a smart fish, Jerry. He's been 20 years in the game, never been caught, and now is his time to success. Oh, Jerry's jumping out. He's sending the children front line. Sending them front line for the niddles. Yeah, honestly. Oh, you can see Jerry getting excited about the free nibbles. He's got a taster. He's coming in for this. He's gone in. He's gone in. He's gone in. He's gone in. He knows it's there. He knows it's there. Jerry's coming in quickly. We've got Nigel coming in at the back, second place. Third place, we've got Golden Eagle. Golden Eagle's just running around. Right, here we are. We got a floater. Our bait's coming in, but Jerry's underneath still. Jerry's underneath still. It's a big day, guys, big day. We've got the fish. There's a lot of Jerry's here. There's not just one. Look, they're all by the feet. You can see them all dangling. Oh, here they are, local. They're gonna go for it. They're gonna go for it. Here it is. They've gone for the bite. Oh, they're taking nibbles, taking it all away.
They've knocked my hook off again.
They've knocked it off.
Oh, wait for it.
There's a bully of fish here, bully. Will he do it? Will he go for the bite?